In this video, I will show you how to massively cut down your time on PowerPoint using the Quick Access Toolbar. This feature lets you keep your most used commands just one click away, so you don't have to navigate through various tabs and menus. Let's do a quick experiment. Normally, to align shapes, you'd click on the Home tab, click the Arrange menu, click the Align submenu, and finally, click your desired alignment. That's 4 clicks for one simple action. With the Quick Access Toolbar, you can do it all in just one click. We've just cut down 75% of the effort. Now let's learn how to set it up. By default, the Quick Access Toolbar is found at the top left corner of PowerPoint. To hide or show it, simply right-click anywhere on the ribbon and choose a respective option. I recommend moving the toolbar below the ribbon to bring it closer to the working area for easier access. Just click the drop-down at the end of the toolbar and select Show below the ribbon. Next, we will customize it by adding the commands we want. Let's add the Group command. To do that, open the Arrange menu, right-click on Group, and choose Add to Quick Access Toolbar. It's now right at your fingertips. Let's go ahead and add the Ungroup command too. Now you can group and ungroup objects much faster. To remove a command, just right-click it and select Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. Pay attention to which commands you frequently use and add them to your Quick Access Toolbar to boost your productivity. By the way, here's a look at how my Quick Access Toolbar is set up. Next, let me show you how to arrange commands on the toolbar for smooth organization. Click the drop-down button at the end of the toolbar and choose More Commands. On the right, you'll see the commands currently on the Quick Access Toolbar. On the left, you'll find all the commands available in PowerPoint. You can use the Add or Remove buttons to add more commands or remove unnecessary ones. These up and down arrows enable you to move the selected command up and down the list. This way, you can organize commands in any order you prefer. Then, once you're finished, hit OK to seal the deal. And that's it. Your top commands are now just a click away. No more surfing through tabs and menus. If you enjoyed it, subscribe. I help non-designers master PowerPoint for better visual communication.